one of the deepest, most healing things to realize is we do what we can, but then we don't rely upon what we do. We rely upon the mercy and bounty of Allah. Our reliance should not be on what we do, no matter how much it is that we do. It's on the mercy of Allah. And Allah knows our time. Allah knows our state. Allah knows our situation. Allah knows our weaknesses. Allah knows everything about us. And so that if we could just channel that guilt, that frustration, those mixed feelings to being humble and broken before Allah and relying upon Him, La ilaha illallah. Everything that we hope to receive from this month, we will receive in much, 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 much more. And we still try to do what we can do, but let's channel that to those noble states where it doesn't lead us to give up, rather it just leads us to be broken before Allah and humble. And then we're the closest in those moments to the mercy of Allah Ta'ala. Inshallah, this is a month that all of us receive our portion, bi'idhnillah. And we have to cling, stubbornly cling to that optimism that Allah will forgive us and have mercy upon us. And He didn't give us this blessed month except to that raise us and increase us. And we do the little that we can do. And in the end of time, a small bit goes a long way. I genuinely believe, this is my good opinion of Allah, if someone in the end of time, the time in which we're living, believes in Allah, does their best to pray their 5 daily prayers, and fulfill the other basic obligations like fasting Ramadan, is that they're going to attain Allah's forgiveness and attain salvation. Because it's such a difficult time. And inshallah ta'ala, hopefully they will attain that and much, much more, inshallah ta'ala.